This button opens the Canvas tab, which is where you can control the size and rotation of the 2D workspace. When in this tab, resize handles will appear on your canvas. Resizing the canvas can either crop your content, or using this toggle, you can opt to resize the content as you resize the canvas. You can also enter a precise dimension here, either as a percentage or the number of pixels. Ticking Lock Aspect Ratio means changes to one side will automatically update the other. Use these buttons to rotate or flip the canvas. If your image contains transparency, it can be revealed with this toggle. The outline shows the canvas is still there, but is now transparent, allowing you to save images containing transparency. You can also select content with transparency to use as a 3D layer or a sticker. Finally, you can always turn the 2D canvas off, leaving just the 3D content.